finally made it. Woo! Oh my god. Oh, really?
It's a river of lava.
Oh. It is happening! The lava is flowing in Iceland. Finally, after so many years, well, 2 2 years. I've been waiting for this moment for a long while, and I'm very happy it started flowing. There's been 1,000 of earthquakes recently, and today around 12 o'clock it started flowing into the fields of where is the old lava field, where the eruption happened 2 years ago. So me and my brother are gonna go there and check it out. There has been many warning signs, and the authorities said to stay away from it, wait until the researchers do their job, and until they say it's safe. But we ignored those sayings, and we just are going after it. And luckily there was a report 5 minutes ago that it is dangerous, but it's okay to go, but just be careful. So that's the way we're gonna do it. So in yes, I got my drone, I got my FPV drone, a camera. It's a big and heavy backpack, and we got about a good 40 to 50 minutes of hiking. So on a already paved, not paved, but on a reasonably manageable road compared to what we had a couple years ago. So we gonna go and see what's all the fuss is about. About 40 more minutes of sunlight, and we have to go across all of this place to see the beauty of the lava. So history repeats like every year, you know, like there's a saying, 2 times like winter. Holy shit, we finally made it! Woo! Oh my god! Oh, what is it?
It's a river of lava.
Oh. Okay, so we're gonna fly FPV. Gonna try close, and my brother is afraid that I will melt it. Let's try not to. Yep, should be fun. If not too much interference, should be pretty alright.